Are you looking for the best tools bags in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best tools bags that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, CLC Custom Leathercraft 20 inches Open Top 27 Pockets Tool Bag. The bag has a large size of 20 inches to offer ample space for more tools. Hence a nice option you never want to miss. Besides this, the product is also available in other sizes to get the appropriate option for the tools. With a total of 27 pockets, the product will offer adequate space for each tool. It has 15 pockets on the inside and 12 exterior pockets. Additionally, the bag is simple to carry using the soft padded shoulder strap that provides better comfort needed. Moreover, the product has a sturdy metal handle, which is molded using a thicker foam grip for better portability of the tools. Again, this bag is crafted using quality heavy-duty yet soft material to ensure a prolonged lifespan. The soft sides make it a nice pick that will serve you better. At number 4, DeWalt Open Top Tool Bag 18 inches 33 pockets. This quality product has 33 pockets in total to ensure the convenient storage of the tools. Some of the main pockets are the electrical tape strap, cradle utility knife pocket, and measure tape clip pockets. Secondly, the product has a large size of 18 inches, making it a great option to handle the tools. The bag is available in smaller options to choose from. Additionally, the product has an open-top design to allow for the elementary selection of tools. Moreover, this product has a collapsible bar handle you can take down for better visibility of the tools. Designed from quality heavy-duty poly plus ballistic poly fabric materials, the bag is resistant to tear and wear. It also features a sturdy base pad meant to protect the base for the simple carriage of the tools. Lastly, it has a comfy adjustable shoulder strap for simple portability. At number 3, Klein Tools Tool Bag 40 Pockets with Shoulder Strap. In case you need the ideal open-top tool bag that will serve better, Klein Tools Tool Bag is a fantastic product to try out. The bag is designed using the best quality of 1680D ballistic weave, which ensures prolonged use and ensures the safety of the tools. Again, it comes in a wide range of colors to choose the ideal color option. Besides this, it has a total of 40 pockets to provide adequate space for every tool. To add more, the product is fitted with a larger zipper compartment to use for keeping the smaller tools and parts. For simple easy carriage, it has convenient carrying handles plus features a molded base to guarantee better stability. At number 2, DeWalt Electrical Maintenance Tool Top Bag 23 Pockets. Equipped with a total of 23 pockets, this open-top tool bag is a fine option that will serve properly. The product has a box-shaped design to ensure the tools stay upright, thus you get to easily access the tools. Secondly, the product has a 6 by 11 inches parts tray and a zippered compartment among other pockets. This product is designed using the best quality of material, thus a fine option that will serve you longer. The product is simpler and easy to carry using the adjustable shoulder strap. Besides this, it provides excellent visibility to access the tools without straining. Due to the lower affordable price, it offers value for money. At number 1, Crescent 17 inches Open Top Tool Bags. Made using the best quality of professional-grade 1680D polyester material, this product is a nice option that will serve you better. The product has a total of 8 exterior and 17 interior pockets that will provide ample space for keeping most items. Again, this product features 2 exterior pocket sleeves that aids in keeping the smaller parts and tools. That said, it has a large size of 17 inches, which provides ample space for simple access to the tools. It also features in other sizes to get the perfect option that will serve your needs. Moreover, it has a sturdy center metal handle that allows for a simple easy carriage. Lastly, the base of the product is padded for proper stability. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.